Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. We're working on this Nissan Qashqai, the lovely 1.5 diesel Renault engines. We have this one in. I'm not sure about that one, ignore that one for now, but this and the engine management tend to come on together. Sometimes you may lose power, sometimes you won't lose power, and it goes back to all these lovely fault codes. As you can see, look, past. So them two are to do with that one in there. Reality is it goes back to the DPF soot content and how it clogs up and kind of wears the car out. In other words, it's soot, it's little runs that cause this issue. Now we're going to show you how you can fix this. There's many ways around it. Either start changing components, which is going to cost you a fortune. My recommendation would be to do this. So I'm using this Launch X431 Pro TT. We're going to turn the car off, ignition on, and we're going to clear all the ECC, which I very much doubt is going to work, but we are going to do it. This is the first process, okay? And then after this, we're going to get into the DPF, reset it, and then we're going to do a DPF regen. Hopefully this will clear the throat of the car out, and jobs are good in. But I'll show you step by step. So what I've done, full scan and clear. It's a good machine. You need a decent machine, guys. Any machine won't just do it. Remember, not all machines will do it. Oh, lovely me. I hate it when they don't have So, fine, cool. So let's come back out. Well, let's see if we can go into it this way. So I'm going to go into the control module. I'm going to go into... doesn't have it here. Let's come back out instead. Then go into service section. So we can go into, so go back into the engine section. Sorry, should have said that. And work support, and then after DPF replacement, see what select yes. Okay, start. Now reading. So let it do. These are ways of going about it. So that's done. So we'll do this. Start. So that's done. Come back out. There's a few things that I would recommend just resetting. Yes, I know when you click the DPF it does it anyway, but recommendation is always reset the other sensors, as it makes life easy. What we're going to do next is, once you've reset the sensors like I have, is to do the DPF regen. DPF maintenance regen there. So we'll need to turn the car on. Okay. Obviously the light won't go off as of yet, but we'll do that. So okay, lasts about 30 minutes, fair enough. Okay, so let's start. That's right. Okay, here we go. So we'll leave it to do this. Once it's done, it will then get into a cooling phase, and then from there we shall reset the sensors again and do a full scan and clear, and this should hopefully eliminate all this. I mean, if we go back as well, this is the problem with the 1.5 diesel engines. They're not the best, to be honest. They're known for a lot of like DPF issues. So in a sec you'll probably, I can smell fumes anyway, but we will see smoke in a bit. So it's still ongoing. We've still got the revs there. I will always say keep an eye on the engine temperature, and once you've done this, it's always recommended that you do oil and oil filter change. Oops, here we go. So this is what we are seeing here, guys. Been a good 10 minutes or so probably. We'll leave it running. Once it's done, it will tell us, and then we'll move on. So it's calmed the revs down a bit, so we're in a cooling phase now, so regen phase. Okay, as we can see, so the regen has been done, guys. Everything's spot on. What we're going to do is do another full scan and then do a full scan and clean otherwise, and that's it. That's the way to do it. If it obviously doesn't work from your end, if the fault is still there, what we would recommend is look into it. It might be a sensor that's playing up, hence why you are getting them fault codes. But obviously, if you've done this and it's ticked it off, jobs are good, and that means it's finished. But reality is, with diesel cars, you have to understand you have to do a good run, you know, twice a week or so. Just, you know, keep the rev at between 2,000-3,000 RPM and do like 20 minutes or so. I'd say motorway in gear 4 maybe, and just keep an eye on the engine temperature and just maintain it that way. But yeah, diesel cars do have these problems, but this is the way around it. If not, then double check it, see which sensor it is.